Good morning, everybody. March 15th, 2022. This is Greg Sheik with Antique Digger, and today I'm going to present you with a Parker 51 in the Buckskin Beige. This is a near mint example, just a gorgeous condition pen. You'll see the gold-filled cap, no dings or dents. This one is the 1/10 16 karat gold filled. The blue diamond clip, jewel, top and bottom. The imprint is near perfect. 1945 date code in the first quarter. Writes with a nice medium line, 0.62 to 0.64. This one's got the vacuumatic plastic filler. Just pump that in water, about 10 or 12 presses, and the barrel will fill full of ink. Again, this is an excellent condition pen. Everything's been restored, cleaned, buffed, and polished. Hard to find one better.